painting peeps, and welcome to the No Bra Zone. I am happy as always that you're here. Wishing you all to be safe and good health in the next couple of weeks. We are kind of housebound, our choice. We're taking care of our honey-do list, you know, painting some trim and working in the yard and cooking good meals and drinking some good wine and just hanging out. And I haven't painted in a bit, so I'm real excited to be back at it, guys, and real excited to be hanging with you all. I am going to be painting over a canvas. This was kind of a practice piece that I did when I was first kind of learning how to swipe and do different things. And it's funny how you go back sometimes and you look at your older canvas that got you so excited when you first did it and think to yourself, yeah, I can paint over that guy. And I'm kind of at that point now where I've become my worst critic. I've painted a couple of things over the past couple of days, and they were nice paintings, but I'm just searching for something better, and I gotta be careful of that because I enjoy this a lot, and I don't want to get very critical or very opinionated about my art or overly critical of it because it brings me joy. So I am going to be doing today, what size canvas is this? This is a 10 by 20, and our base coat today is going to be Artist Loft Black. My pouring medium, because I'm out of GAC 800, is 50% Floetrol and 50% golden pouring medium, half and half, and then I mix about 1 part paint to 2 parts of the pouring medium, with the exception of my golden paints. That's about 1 part paint to 3 parts pouring medium. This stuff goes a long ways, guys. Let's talk about our colors today. Our first color is Golden Iridescent Gold. Our second color is a mix of Deco Art Metallics 24 karat gold and a couple of drops of the Golden Burnt Sienna in it, just to richen it up a little bit. Our next color is Golden Iridescent Pearl, and then the Golden Burnt Sienna mixed by itself. And then I topped my cup off with just a little bit of this Indian yellow hue that I had left over from another painting. Now they were all, I've already prepared my cups. I've got 3 little cups here. And the order in which I poured them is the Golden Gold, the mixture of the Deco Art and Burnt Sienna was the second color. The third color was the Iridescent Pearl. The fourth color was the Burnt Sienna. And I did 3 layers in my cup, and then I topped each cup off with the Indian yellow hue. So this was just on top. It was not amongst the layers. So I'm going to go ahead and prep this canvas with my black base coat and get rolling, turn on some good music for you all. And the reason I'm doing that, guys, and not talking through this whole thing is because we've got some construction going on next door and it gets kind of loud. So I'd rather you listen to some funky music than listen to all that noise and me trying to holler at you over it. So once again, thanks for joining me, guys. Be healthy, be well, and keep painting. Talk to you soon.